What's up, YouTube? All right. How you guys doing today? We are doing Caribbean week, okay? So yesterday, if you guys caught my video, that was all about curry goat. It was real simple, real cute. You guys should try it and get your island vibes going. Today, we're making my childhood favorite meal. Some people call it, poor people food, but I love it. It is corned beef. And of course, I bought the Grace because I don't play. I love the Grace version. They have so many different ones. So we're gonna make corned beef, white rice, and a cabbage. I already put on the rice. If you guys don't know how to make white rice, I'm gonna just give you a tip. Rice, 2 to 3 cups of water, leave it on low, walk away. Or buy a rice maker with a cup or 2 of water that the machine advises you, leave it on low and walk away. All right, so we're gonna start with our corned beef. We're gonna get it in the pot. And then we're gonna get our cabbage in the pot. I got the cabbage already shredded for me because I'm lazy. But yeah, we're gonna prep this and start the corned beef first. All right, guys, stay tuned. All right, guys, we're back over here at the stove. I just cut up, if you wanna see, let me show you. I minced out my onions real fine, not too big. You're gonna put a nice little decent amount size of oil. You know what? Not even too much oil. Don't go crazy with it. All right? And then every corned beef has something called a key. You put the key in and you just turn to get it open. This dish, when I was little and my mom used to make it, I used to always ask her, can I do the key part? And if we lost the key before we got home, boy, you'd be in trouble. Okay? You do not play with the key. So you gotta gouge it. Let me try to gouge it out of this can. There you go. Oh yeah. I like to just, cut it down, break it down into the pot. You can use whatever you like. I always just use a knife. I actually use my knives for everything in the kitchen. I'm ridiculous. All right? So you break that down. And I don't put in my onions first. I always put in the corned beef like it's gone. And then this is garlic and the onions, all right? I'm gonna save a little bit of these onions for the cabbage, which we're gonna put over here in this pot, which let me get that pot warmed up, all right? So now once it's in the pot, you wanna break it down. Break it, beat it down. You guys can see, break it, beat it down. Make sure the fire isn't too high. Then you're gonna start going in with your seasonings. This is something you season while it is in this pot, honey. Okay? So you got your onion, your garlic powder, your onion powder. My onion powder is on its way out. The onion powder to me is what makes it pop. You always have garlic powder, but onion powder, when it goes into the corned beef, some people forget to put it, and it tastes different. Trust me, the onion powder makes a big difference. Your black pepper, and I have some thyme pegs that I'm just gonna slide off a little bit of that and throw that in there. And then, black pepper got to me, excuse me. And then we're just gonna add in my secret ingredient, which is ketchup. So you're gonna turn the fire down on low, and you're just gonna let this go ahead and just marinate on low for a second. I wanna say corned beef, it's something that it cooks in like not even 5 minutes. You can add a tad of water. And that's to give it that, soften it up. See it? It's almost completely done. Isn't that crazy? That's what I like about it. So next what we're gonna do, you guys, is we're gonna do our cabbage. So now we're on the other side, and the corned beef is just about done. I just left it simmering. It's soft, it's slippery, and it's pretty much finished. So I don't know where my lid is. I want to cover it. Oh, here's my lid. I'm going to just cover it over and just let it sit, do its thing. It's completely done. So now we're going to start the cabbage, which is also really easy to make. So you're going to put some grease, line the bottom of your pot. I always use canola oil, you guys. I don't know what you guys like to use. Does not matter what oil. Sometimes olive oil is always best, but I'm a fat bat. Okay, so don't judge me. So first I'm going to put some of the rest of the onion in here. The onion and the garlic. Get this a little closer. Okay, onion and the garlic is in. And then you're gonna get your cabbage, which I told you I bought pre-cut. You guys can buy the cabbage head and just chop up your cabbage how you want. But I love these fine shreds that they get at the Korean market. I actually went to the Caribbean market this time instead of the Korean market. But they have it at either or. If you have a Korean store that sells Caribbean food or the regular Caribbean market. And you guys know me, I always make a mess. So yeah, just gonna shake a bunch in here because everybody is gonna want some. All right. And then of course, like I put in most of my food, just gonna throw some thyme in there. A little bit of flavor. Put some black pepper. So you guys know I love my black pepper. No garlic, no onion powder, all that crazy stuff. And a little bit of salt. All right. A little bit of that high blood pressure. Okay. Yeah, the corned beef is pretty much done, guys. So let's taste that. Mmm, delicious. That corned beef is finished. All right. And I don't know if you ever made cabbage or spinach. I wanted to add spinach to this cabbage, but it just cooks really, really fast. It just, you know, it does its thing and boil down. Nothing crazy. I'm gonna add a little bit of oil to the top of this. All right, so you let the cabbage go for, I'm gonna say no more than 10 minutes. Your cabbage should be soft. Some people like to add a little bit of water. You can put a drain. We'll put a drain just to, you know. I put a drain in everything today. I put a drain of water in the corned beef as well. So yeah. All right, so we're gonna leave the cabbage here to simmer down, and I will be back, guys. All right, guys, we are done, son. Done, son. I left my cabbage like noodles. My mom was like, girl, bye, you need to cut that up. But I just thought it was so cute, right? And the corned beef, amazing. So what we're gonna do is, you already know, we're gonna try this bad boy together, all right? You guys ready? All right, guys, we are about to try the masterpiece. I'm gonna take a little bit of each thing, which I'm biased, right? You guys know I'm biased already. Look at it, I left it like spaghetti cabbage. Isn't it cute? And then some of the rice. Come on. I've been eating this since I was little, and it never gets old. Some people, they get too big in life and they don't want to eat corned beef no more. But me, still love it. Look at that. Look at that. All right, you guys, you already know the deal. Like, comment, and subscribe. Come back to the kitchen. You guys already know. Tell me something you want me to make. You guys ain't saying nothing, so I'm going to keep cooking. We are doing Caribbean week, so we have some more stuff in store this week. I'm going back to my childhood right now and just making lots of fun stuff. I got so much going on, but I still made time to come and hang out with you guys. So guess what? Gotta come back to the kitchen so we can get cooking. Good lookings. Bye.